This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have administrator access. Without it, deeper fixes fail. Once confirmed, reboot into safe mode. Use Shift plus Restart, then choose Startup Settings and enable option 4 or 5. Safe mode loads minimal drivers and services, so Task Manager stability there reveals whether a third-party app or driver is closing it. Open Task Manager in safe mode and observe behavior. If it remains open, you've narrowed the cause to non-essential software or startup items. Once safe mode suggests third-party interference, run msconfig and uncheck non-Microsoft services. Then reboot to see if Task Manager stays open. Make sure to also inspect Startup in Task Manager and Task Scheduler for scheduled tasks that relaunch software. Disable anything unfamiliar. Run a full malware scan, and if needed, use Windows Defender offline, because some rootkits act only outside normal Windows. These steps remove or isolate services and scheduled tasks that forcibly. If disabling services didn't fix it, run system repairs to restore corrupted files. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism with restore health. These repair Windows components that may trigger unexpected shutdowns. Next, create a new local administrator account and test Task Manager. This checks profile corruption. If problems persist, perform an in-place upgrade repair or restore from backup to preserve settings while replacing damaged system files. If Task Manager still closes, the key troubleshooting tip: check Event Viewer for error ID and timestamps to pinpoint the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.